Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be making a doll restaurant. So I already cut the foam board, so I'm going to put the measurements in the screen. For the bottom, the measurement is 30 by 14, and then for each column is 6 by 14, and the back wall is 30 by 14 in the back. So let's go ahead and get started. I split it up into two sections. So we're gonna start with the outside of the restaurant first on this side, and then we're gonna work on the inside of the restaurant on this side. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have this faux grass, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue it to the corner right here on top of each other, because I do want to do a nice little outdoor looking scene in this corner. So I'm going to take two of these and glue them right on top of each other. So let's go ahead and glue it on. Okay guys, so now for this side right here, I'm going to take this marble contact paper and just cover the other side with this marble contact paper. Okay, so we added the marble to the other side of the wall. I still have to cover this part right here, but I'm gonna do that once I'm done doing this back wall. So on the bottom part where we have our faux grass, I have this wood grain paper. It's a 6 by 6 little squares. I got it from Amazon. Everything that I'm using, I'm going to try to link it in the description box down below if I can find it online for you guys to get it if you guys are interested. And I'm going to go ahead and fold it where I see fit for it to fit right here in this corner. And I'm going to go ahead and complete this area down here with this paper right here and make like a little path walkway with this green wood grain paper coming out this way. Okay guys, so we have our little walkway. So now what I want to work on is a sign for the restaurant to go across here. And for the sign, we're going to be using printout that I got just from online from restaurant signs or logos, and I thought this one was really cute and it matches the marble in the back. And then we're going to take it up a notch by doing this piece of translucent contact paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. So now it's cut to where it covers the sign, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue it back here. Okay guys, so I would like to make a little tiny step before we make a door to go inside the restaurant. So I want to make a little step up. So I'm gonna take some foam board and make a small step going across this way to go up, so you can step up to go into the restaurant. Okay, so now we need to cover the one step up, and for that I'm going to use this white wood grain scrapbook paper. Okay guys, so I covered the step area and this side with the wood grain paper, and the little wall that's on this side right over here, I'm gonna cover it with this green contact paper. Okay guys, so we do need a door for the entryway. I went ahead and glued the sides with green and the rest that was covering the bottom with a darker green contact paper. So for the door, we're going to be using this same material, but I folded the contact paper in half. I'm going to take off the sticker and I'm going to glue it in half like this. Okay guys, so once I glue it in half, I'm going to go ahead and just glue it right here to be a clear door for our restaurant. Then I'm going to take this marble button that I got that I had laying around the house, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the side to be the knob for the door. Okay, so now we have our door. So I want to show you guys that when I went to Five Below, I found this fountain for $5, and I thought it would be perfect in a corner of a restaurant. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, so this is the fountain outside of the packaging. For some reason I did open it before, but I misplaced the rocks, but it's fine just like this. I don't mind it. So what I'm going to do is place it in the corner over here, and you just put AA batteries, and then you turn on the back, and there you go. You have a little fountain to go in the corner right here. And that is super cute for this space, and I really love how that looks. I would like to add like a little bit of color right here, so I'm just gonna add like a couple flowers going down the side of here. So I have these flowers. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some right here in the corner. Okay, so for the inside of the restaurant, we're gonna cover the walls with this white brick contact paper, and I'm just gonna cover the entire wall with this. Okay, so first, after we're done putting on the brick wall, I'm going to take this printout. I just printed another copy from what I had inside my dollhouse, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this in the back. And then I'm going to take another clear translucent paper. This one has pretty much like the colors of the dining room table we're going to be using, and I'm going to cover on top to give it kind of like a faded look with all the colors that we're using inside of the restaurant. Okay, so that looks really good. So now I'm going to take these papers of wood grain that's kind of like a teal color and then glue it to the side right here. Okay, so I think that is so cute. And now what we're gonna do is work on the floor. So for the floor, we're gonna do something pretty cool. So for the floor, we're going to I took a couple of these 6x6 squares and I stacked them on each other, the ones that I like to do for the floor, and I'm going to cut them into about 1-inch strips. Okay, so now we have like kind of like tile material with different textures, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down strip by strip, alternating the different designs across the floor. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. I love how it's having different patterns. It's coming out exactly how I wanted it to, so let's keep going. Okay guys, so I completed the floor. It's still drying because I used tacky glue, so I'm just waiting for that to dry. And then this is the back of the restaurant, and for our table set we're going to be using mealtime dining set that I got from Amazon from My Fancy Life. This is pretty much a dining room set for 11.5-inch dolls. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is pulling the table straight out of the packaging, and then it comes with the accessories separate. Assembly is required, so let's go ahead and assemble it. This is a close-up of the dining table. Absolutely love it, and I think it looks so cute in this space, and I'm so happy with this. It was only $10 on Amazon, and I really love this. So this does fit majority of 11.5-inch dolls. So let's go ahead and finish up this restaurant with some menus. So for the menus, I printed out this menu from Walgreens. I just took a menu and put it into pretty much a wallet size, which made 4 even size menus. So I'm just gonna cut it out to make 4 menus for the table. So now each table has a menu. Thank you guys so much for watching me make this doll restaurant. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.